Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Oracle Cloud integrations with OAuth2, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the Oracle Cloud dashboard. Select the Identity and Access Management option from the main menu. In the IAM section, locate and click on Dynamic Groups. Create a new dynamic group by clicking on the Create Dynamic Group button. Provide a name for your dynamic group that clearly represents its purpose. Set the appropriate tags for your group based on your integration needs. Define the rules for the dynamic group. Ensure that the rules accurately capture the required resources for the integrations. Once the group is created, navigate back to the IAM section and select Applications. Click on the Add Application button to start create. Choose the option for Web Application. Fill in the required fields, including a meaningful application name. Specify the redirect URI, which is the endpoint where the authorization code will be sent. Configure the logout URI as necessary for your application. Next, set the client type to confidential for enhanced security. Generate the client credentials. Make sure to store the client ID and client secret securely. After creating the application, navigate to the Scopes section. Define the needed scopes for your integration to specify what resources the application can access. Once the scopes are set, head to the Authorization section. Choose the OAuth2 authorization code grant type for the authorization process. Familiarize yourself with the authorization flow. Prepare to implement the necessary redirect URIs in your application code. Use the authorization code received from the initial request to obtain access tokens. Make an HTTP post request to the token endpoint to exchange the authorization code for tokens. Include the client ID, client secret, redirect URI, and authorization code in your token request. Verify the response to ensure you have successfully received your access and refresh tokens. Use the access token to authenticate API requests to your Oracle Cloud services. Monitor the expiration time of the access token, using the refresh token to obtain new access tokens when needed. Log out to ensure security after your integration work is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.